Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, this morning we will present the results of our discussion about book reviews with the title Economic Theory. Before start our presentation, let me introduce us from Nine Group. I am Salma Fauzi Hafiz and my friends.
I'm Sulis Miratul Karimah.
I am Marcella Galtarina.
I'm Eka Saputri Kusuma Dewi.
I am Farunisa Maharani Hardoyo.
Okay, that's all. Next. Okay, next we will discuss the results of our discussion and answer question provided by the lecture. Next slide, please.
Okay. Does the article or book provide the answer to your question? Yes, it does. This book is related to the economics department and it's very useful for students majoring in economic education. Economic theory helps students understand the basic principles underlying economic phenomena, such as supply and demand, price elasticity, and monetary policy. Next. Is the information also mentioned in other article or books? Yes, it is, because the content of the book can also be found in several other books or articles that discuss economics.
Who is providing the information? Gary Stanler Bakery. Who is providing the information? Gary are the expert. He is an economic baker was awarded the Bank Sweden's prize in the economic science in the memory Alfred Nobel 1992 for having extend the reach of the microeconomic analysis to wide range of human behavior and interaction, include non-market behavior. His work include development articles on the economic of discrimination, crime, drugs, and social interaction. Next.
When you find out more about them, Baker attended Princeton University, where he first became interested in economics. He continued his studies in economics at the University of Chicago. Baker remained at the University of Chicago for several years as an assistant professor, but he decided to move to Manhattan in 1957. There, he became a professor at Columbia University and worked for the National Bureau of Economic Research. Baker remained in New York for the next 12 years conducting research and teaching. It was at Columbia University that Baker, along with Jacob Minson, began conducting advanced research on human capital and demonstrated that education was a societal asset.
Okay, now we will answer some question about the search. Number 6, is the website an official or a personal blog? The website is an official site. Number 7, who can edit the page? Is the only the author. And number 8, the domain is https://booksgoogle.co.id. And 9, when was the source last updated? In 2017. Okay.
Years of book review. Ordinarily, in an economics book that combines systematic discussion of theoretical materials with many problems, the discussion is the foundation of the book, while the problems test understanding of the theoretical analysis and illustrate how it can be applied to real-world issues. Only by doing many challenging problems can students really gain command of the concept that are the essence of economics and appreciate how this help understand issues that arise in the real world. The emphasis in this book is somewhat different because the systematic analysis is a reprint and the problems are new. So, in an important sense, the reprint economic theory is background material for the problems published for the first time.
Okay, here's more about book reviews. These problems cover 4 fields. 1. Consumption, including household, production, aggregation, and choices over time through investments in capital. Uncertainty that includes expected utility and the role of lotteries. The role of competitive equilibrium in analyzing social interactions, crime, hedonism, economic growth, and many others questions. 4. Imperfect competition, including monopoly, hold-ups in bargaining, and price controls. Next. The material in this book is partly composed of a reprint of a book that emphasizes developing an understanding of how to use economic analyzing. This reprint book also contains some materials that are not yet fully absorbed into the teaching of economics. In addition, the new book contains a previously unpublished collection of problems with answers that essentially is a book itself. This problem book is more formal and mathematical than the reprint book of lectures and discuss some issues and forms of analyzing that had not yet been developed when economic theory was published. The combination of the emphasis on economic intuition and formal analysis, and on the both older and newer developments in economics provide, I believe, a stimulating, valuable, and challenging way to help master the concepts and results of economic that are so important in understanding the world we live in.
Okay, that's all from Len Group. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry for any mistakes. Thank you, and see you next time.
See you.